I am well.
Nice to meet you. My name is Sadhuran Jayasingh. What's your name?
My name is Yansar.
Yeah, sir, where do you come from?
I come from California.
Is this your first visit to Sri Lanka?
Yes, this is my first visit.
Do you think that Sri Lanka is a beautiful country?
Yes, of course, this is a very beautiful country.
Are you married?
No, I am still single.
Do you have a brother and sister?
I have two brothers.
Which from did you come here?
I came here with my family member.
How long have you been in Sri Lanka?
How long have been here? For 10 days.
What do you do for work?
I am a student.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where do you stay?
I will stay in Ratnapura.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 07454916682.
Excuse me, where does this road lead to?
This road leads to Mathura. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to this address.
Can I have a look at it? This address is not on this road.
Where is it?
You have to take the other road.
Sorry, I can't follow you.
Now you go along this road and turn to your left. Then you come across blue storied building. That is the place.
Is there one silver here?
We have several silvers here. Which silver are you referring?
I am referring to silver who comes from Hambantota.
Sorry, he has gone for the day.
Can you get the message to him, please? Ask him to telephone somewhere on between 6 and 8 p. Okay?
Okay.
Right. Please tell me sentence patterns. Okay? Please example. I am good at.
I am good at cooking.
I am going to.
I am going to have some coffee.
I have.
I have a cat.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can pass.
Shall.
Shall we go?
I can't.
I can't go now.
Be sure to.
Be sure to read it.
Please.
Please complete this.
I want to.
I want to talk.
It look like.
It look like a balloon.
I would like to.
I would like to explain myself.
Do you want me to?
Do you want me to remind you?
Had to.
We had to come.
I wish I could.
I wish I could forget him.
May not.
He may not think so.
Just.
I have just come. Let's drink.
Let's not.
Let's not go to the party.
I'm in a hurry to.
I am in a hurry to learn English.
It's no use.
It's no use crying. Let me offer to help you.
I want you to.
I want you to talk with you.
I'm sorry to.
I'm sorry to be so late.
Come
and sit.
Can I
answer your question?
You
seem abroad.
Fond of.
I am fond of teaching.
This parts of body.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I ready.
යටිබඩ
Abdomen.
වල්ලුකර
Ankle.
ගුඩය
Anus.
උණ්ඩක පුච්චය
Appendix.
බාහුව
Arm.
කෙහෙල්ල
Armpit.
දමඩේ
Arteries.
පිටකොන්ද
Backbone.
රැවුල
Beard.
දීතුණ්ඩ කපාටය
Bypass B12.
මුත්‍රාසය
Bladder.
රුධිරය
Blood.
අස්ථි
Bones.
මොළය
Brain.
පියවරු
Breast.
කොද්දටිය
Bulbo.
තට්ටම
Buttock.
කෙන්ඩ
Calf.
කම්බුල
Cheek.
පපුව
Chest.
නිකට
Chin.
මහාන්තය
Colon.
ග්‍රහණිය
Duodenum.
කන
Ear.
කම්බරය
Ear. Drum.
කම්පිත්ත
Earlobe.
වැලමිට
Elbow.
ඇස
Eye.
ඇස් බැම
Eyebrow.
ඇස් පිහාටු
Eyelid.
පිංග ඇඟිල්ල
finger,
ඇලපත
flank,
අතේ වැලමිට හා මැණිකඩවල කොටස
forearm,
දබරැඟිල්ල
forefinger,
නළල
forehead,
පිත්‍රාසය
gallbladder,
ඉකිලිය
groin,
විදුරු මස
gum,
ගලනාලය
gullet,
ඇස්බිය
eyelid,
රෝම
hair,
අත,
hand,
හිස,
head,
හෘදය,
heart,
විනුබ,
hip,
උකුල,
hip,
උකුළු සන්ධිය,
hip joint,
පිටිපතුලේ ඉදිරිපස කොටස,
instep,
අන්ටය,
intestine,
කලඉරියාව,
iris,
වක්ගඩුව,
kidney,
දණහිස,
knee,
අතපය,
lines,
limbs, තොල,
lip,
අක්මාව,
liver,
පෙරහැල්ල,
lung,
මැදවිල්ල,
middle finger,
කට,
mouth,
මාංශපේශී,
muscles,
උඩරැවුල,
mustache,
නියපොතු,
nails,
පිටිකර,
nape,
බෙල්ල,
neck,
නාභිය,
navel,
ස්නායු,
navis,
නාසය,
nose,
නාස්පුඩුව,
nostril,
ගලනාලය,
esophagus,
තල්ල,
palate,
අත්ල,
palm,
අග්න්‍යාසය,
pancreas,
පුරුෂලිංගය,
penis,
සුළඟිල්ල,
pinky,
ගුදමාර්ගය,
rectum,
ඉලෑට,
ribs,
දකුණු වම් කර්ණිකාව,
left right auricle,
වෙඩගිල්ල,
mid ring finger,
බෙල්ල පිටුපස,
scalp,
උරහිස,
shoulder,
අණ්ඩකෝෂය,
scrotum,
සම,
skin,
හිස් කබල,
skull,
සුළඟිල්ල,
small finger,
කොඳුනාරතිය,
spinal cord,
කොඳු ඇටය,
spine,
පිලාව,
spleen,
ආමාශය,
stomach,
දහඩිය,
sweat,
දත්,
teeth,
උෂණ,
testicle,
කලවා,
thigh,
උගුර,
tongue,
මහපොට ඇඟිල්ල,
tongue,
පාදයේ ඇඟිලි,
toes,
දිව,
tongue,
ගර්භාෂය,
uterus,
යෝනිය,
vagina,
සිරා,
veins,
කෝසිකාව,
ventricle,
කම්බුලේ වැටුණු රැවුල,
whiskers,
ගර්භාෂය,
womb,
මැණික් කටුව.
ribs.
Okay, right. Go, then clap that, let it go.